Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video we're going to talk about the new Exmark Staris Augmented Reality app coming up. So hey Lawn Care Nation, we've all seen how fast technology moves these days, and I'm always amazed at just what's possible with a typical smartphone. Now, one of these cool technologies is augmented reality, and Exmark has put out an app for either your iOS or Android devices to let us lawn guys have some fun with this super cool technology. So this app is all based around their new revolutionary Staris series of stand-on mowers, and it basically lets you explore this series of mowers in augmented reality. So in this video, I thought I'd walk you guys through the process and show you just how easy and cool it is to check out the Staris mower in augmented reality. So the first thing you want to do is go and download the app. So either head on over to the Google Play Store or to Apple's App Store and look for the Exmark AR app. Now, once you have the app installed on your device, you want to open up your browser and head to exmark.com/AR. On that page, you want to click on the red button that says Print Staris AR Marker. So that's going to open up a page of the Exmark Staris just like this one, and you're going to want to print it out. Now don't worry, if you don't have access to a printer or you can't print it out, you can alternatively use a second device to just display the picture on that device as well. So once you got the Staris AR Marker printed out, just go to your device, open up the app, make sure the camera is pointed at the marker, hit the Start Now button, read the instructions, hit Continue, and there you go. You've got the Staris there in augmented reality. There's a video there playing in the background as well. If you turn your sound up, you'll be able to hear that. And if you move in closer, you'll be able to get a close-up view of the Staris. You can use your finger to move the machine around. You can get in really close. If you pull your device away, you'll get a farther view. You can get an overhead view. And check out all the features of the Staris. You can move your device all the way around the machine. And then there's a breakdown here of all different features that you can explore by clicking on that. Now, like I said, if you don't have access to a printer to actually print out the AR marker, you can use a second device. Just go to that exmark.com/AR page, click on Set AR Marker. It's going to bring up that same image, and you can then point your device at that and do the same thing. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation, the new Exmark Staris Augmented Reality app. Super cool and super fun. What a great idea on being able to explore the new Staris series of mower in augmented reality. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know, did you try out the Exmark Staris Augmented Reality app? What did you think of it? So I'll leave one of my other how to start a lawn care business type videos up here in this corner for you to watch, or I'll leave one of my other types of videos up here in this corner for you to watch. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.